I'm gonna show you how easy it is to add an extension to your pressure washer. Say you need a couple of feet. This right here is a 36-inch extension, and it comes with this little part right here. So I'm gonna come over here and show you this part. You need this part right here. It's a 1/4-inch quick disconnect that connects in here, quick disconnect. So the only thing you need to do is just go ahead and remove your sprayer. And then what you want to do is screw this on to here. As you can see this right here, just screw this on and just push on it and turn it clockwise. Then what you want to do, just get you some pliers and make sure you got it on there tight. And the next thing you do is come to this end and you just quick disconnect it on. That's it. So now you got an additional 3 feet extension. Then when you put this in right here in your sprayer, quick disconnect, and you're ready. And that's all it takes is this right here. If you need to add an extension. Like I said, this is a quick disconnect. I'm gonna take it apart. Just unscrew this. As a matter of fact, and if you want to take the extension off, there you go, and add it to here. Now you got your standard. So let's do that again quickly. We're gonna take this off, we put it on this end, screw this on right here. Once you screw that on, ooh, the humidity is terrible here. Make sure you tighten it up with some pliers. Then you quick disconnect. Let's see if you can see that right there. The quick disconnect, it pops in. Now you have your 3 feet extension, 36 inches. All right, I'm gonna get up there and show you what I'm using this extension for. I need to clean something on top of my house.